Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. I have some new dolls and some new doll stuff that I'd like to show you. My birthday is this month, and long story short, we do birthday month at our house. Yes, I'm very spoiled. Darren gets me something every day or so throughout the month of March. Remember, there's 31 days in March. Woo-hoo. On the first day of March, I was so stinking surprised. He bought me the white hair, rainbow hair Amaya that I have been wanting. I have not opened her yet. We will do an unboxing soon. He also bought me some stuff for my dolls. I would like to get into customizing the Blythe dolls. I'm going to show you something I did in just a minute. And so I need some tools, and I'm real funny about clean tools. I hate dirty tools. If you're working on your dolls, or if you decide to go into it, buy new tools or clean up the tools you have, because I promise you, you don't want to go out to the garage and get the tools that have been working on projects and cars. Oh, look at all this. Boy, this thing's really sealed. And then work on your dolls. That dirt and that oil especially will ruin. I mean, you're going to have more of a mess to clean up than you ever started. Anyway, this is really cool. It's a handheld drill. These will also be perfect. I don't know if you can see all the, I mean, there are some tiny, tiny little drill bits in there. Like, tiny, for piercing doll ears. Also, this is really cool. I've started changing eyelashes and stuff on my Blythe dolls, and other, well, all kinds of stuff with the dolls I'd like to do. He bought me a rerooter a while back, the tool for rerooting hair, and reaching up inside the heads to pull all the stuff out. I was saying that my tweezers were too short, so he made sure I had every size. Check this out. Woo-hoo! A brand new bent nose, what do you call these long ones? Alligator?
Needle nose pliers.
Needle nose pliers. And a utility knife. I really need this. Look out, fingers, here it comes. This is the coolest. I have not even opened it yet. I'm very excited about it. It is a 3D pen. And I've started going to YouTube's and watching all the stuff you can do with these 3D pens. They're called Scribe 3D. I look forward to learning to do that, or hoping that I can. And on that line, Darren is always making me doll stands or doll shoes or doll this or doll that. And he bought me 2 colors of filament. I got a green, which is a green. That's the green I like. Grass green, Irish green, Christmas green. That's the green I like the best. And one that we've already run out of and hard to find. You can find grape purple, but finding that royal purple or that royal tone purple is hard to find. And he found some. I was really tickled. I bought some dolls. Let me move this back and I'll show you what I got. We found this, actually Darren found this in the free bin at the local thrift store here. She has on some Barbie clothes. What I want to do, and I need to get to it because Easter's coming quick, just for fun, I'd like to clean her up, fix her up, and make her an Easter outfit, just to be different. I found, and we will open this in another video. I hope you can peek in there and see some of these Barbies in this container. Oh, there's Pocahontas. But it is full, and I was not going to get it. I have really really pulled back from buying dolls. But this was $4.99, and this girl in the front is worth that because her dress and everything there. I think it's the Barbie Rapunzel. We'll have to check that out. But I'm going to turn this around and let you see kind of a peek of what's in there. But I thought it was worth it. We'll open this up one day in another video. I also bought two little pet store Blythe. And this one I got really inexpensive on eBay. It was one of those, I got her for like $3.95, I think, and the shipping was cheap enough too. I think it was less than $5. And that's a steal. It's one of those, I got it, I think it was an auction. So I went back and read it to see what I may have missed, like the back of her was black or something, but she's in excellent condition. No shoes, but I use those Polly Pocket shoes. But this little darling I won in an auction, and she, oh God, you know I love that red hair. She has not only her outfit, oh, red hair and green eyes, but also her little orange shoes, which is really cute. Darren made them these, I love these little stands. He also made a clip for this same stand that holds the small LOL dolls, and that's pretty cool too. One thing I did recently, actually the eyes are still drying, is I finished putting Robert's eyes in. He came without eyes, and I like blue eyes, so I did something different with my Blythe boy. I did all blue eyes. Now those are a little different. I'm kind of thinking I might change them to these same blue eyes, but I think that's fine because you have the forward look and the two side glances. And I really like it. Thursday night, Darren and I, I had been looking on the Walmart website and I saw that they had 4 of the Rainbow High dolls for $22.97. And they were 4 that I would have liked to have had. One was Sunny Madison, and I do have her. I want those cheaper so I can customize them. But they had Bella and Stella and the blue rainbow hair Amaya. So I was trying to decide which one should I get. And I thought, you know, I want to go and see those in person. That's what Darren suggested, that we go on Saturday and get one. So I could see it and make sure, and boy, there were some flaws in there. The eyelashes, if you're looking at those dolls on the shelf, tilt their head back and look at their eyelashes. You know, they're raised up, and make sure they're not only even, but they match. Some of them had short eyelashes on one side, and the other side they were longer, and they weren't set right. It was awful. Anyway, I found one, I dug all through, and I got it. And I ended up getting the Stella in the hot pink. Got to the register, they were no longer on sale. But that's okay, because we had gone to the antique mall, and I found this girl who is right and tight. And I like her. She has some fading in the plastics. That's okay. I'm okay with that. I'm going to have to catch up with my friend Lehman Philpott. She also collects these, and talk to her about this hair. I had not seen any of these Barbies. In fact, I also have several of the princess dolls, the Disney princess dolls in the 36 to 38. This doll has that, can you tell me, you doll collectors, can you get a close-up of this, Darren, so that they can tell me if this is that, I think it's called Krylon or Kiana, I can't even remember what it's called. I want to dye this hair. So any suggestions in the comments will really be appreciated. I'll take this down and wash it and and get it straightened out. I will use that cream rinse on it that saves the curls. I do hope that those can make it through the dyeing. But anyway, go watch Lehman Philpott's channel. She has a very large collection of these big dolls too. I guess I should set her down or she's going to be out of the camera. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. I'm going to go give Draculaura a bath and see about that hair. I'll be having some upcoming videos with the dolls you've seen within, including the restoration or tearing down, depending on about this hair, of this doll. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.